Experiencing false alarms on your Renault Mégane E-Tech? It's a common issue often linked to the proximity antenna or door switches. The Prox antenna detects your key fob via low-frequency radio signals. Interference from metal objects or malfunctions can trigger the alarm. Door switches confirm if doors are fully closed by sending signals to the ECU. Wear or corrosion can cause false signals that trigger alarms. Start by checking for any obstructions near the antenna, usually near the interior lights or dash, that might cause interference. Next, visually inspect the door switches in the door jambs for damage or corrosion. Try cleaning them with a contact cleaner. These simple steps can often resolve the issue. Renault has addressed alarm issues with software updates. Ensure your Mégane E-Tech has the latest version, 1.8.2 or newer, which recalibrates the antenna sensitivity. You can check for updates through the vehicle's infotainment system or via a Renault dealership. If the problem persists, try a system reset. Cycle the ignition or use the infotainment screen to reboot the ECU. If these steps don't work, it's time to consult a Renault dealer. They have diagnostic tools, like Renault's e-compatible app, to pinpoint the problem and perform necessary repairs or replacements, such as faulty door switch sensors covered under warranty for certain models. Remember to keep an eye out for future software updates, as Renault is continually improving system reliability.